before I do my I Miss Marvel episode 1 review, I'll then be giving a spoiler warning. And for those who haven't seen the episode yet, make sure to go see the first episode over on Disney Plus and come back to this review. Because this review is going to be having some spoilers from the first episode of Miss Marvel. And that's been the official spoiler warning. And if you enjoy the video, please give the video a like. And now let's get into Miss Marvel episode 1 review. Before I continue on with today's video for the first episode of Miss Marvel, I'm going to mention that only 9.6% of you guys are subscribed to the channel. For the 90.4%, and please turn the notification bell and press the red subscribe button so when new video uploads, you guys can be notified, so you won't miss out on any video that is going to be out on the channel. And now let's get into the first episode of Miss Marvel review and enjoy the video. Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the first episode of Miss Marvel, and it's the latest MCU Disney Plus series, and follows the adventures of a high school kid who wants to be a superhero, and in this first episode starts with a kid called Min, and she has a YouTube channel, and she was talking about the final battle of Avengers Endgame, and she's a pretty big fan of Captain Marvel and the Avengers, and she always fantasizes of becoming a superhero, and her parents just wants her to focus on her grades and stuff, and even her teachers and everywhere else at school, who think she's weird, just wants her to know all kind of stuff, and her friend and her wants to go to Avengers Con, and she figures how to get there, and she asked her parents, and they were hesitant, and they still said no, and she tries to figure out how to get there other way, and she explains to her friend about how men explains how to get there, and she presents all out, and she made a Captain Marvel costume, and she got her bracelet that her grandma gave through a box, and they got Min and her friend got to Avengers Con, and they were waiting for a cosplay for the Captain Marvel fans, and Min puts on the bracelet, and it was really good for powers, and she thought it was pretty weird how it all happened, and she accidentally used some of her powers, and knocked off the giant statue of Atman, and knocked into Thor's Harmonia, and almost destroyed Avengers Con, and they got out, and went back to her house so she can get back before her parents noticed that she wasn't there, and it backfired on her, and her mom was pretty mad, and tells her that when she's going to choose between and her cosmic fantasy or her real life, and she chose her cosmic stuff, and the episode ends with a post-credits scene with some detective people seeing a video from Avengers Con, and we're going to figure out how the Red got her the powers, and that's what the episode ends, and they search for the first Miss Marvel episode review. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. And let's get this channel out to 100 subscribers. And I think this series is going to be more interesting. And once more episodes come out. And like I think I said this in my trailer reaction to this series. His powers kind of almost look like the Watcher's powers when he uses them, and kind of like almost look like the glass that he looks through and smashes through when he was fighting Ultron. And also, let's get this channel out to 100 subscribers. And tomorrow, I'm going to be doing my spoiler-free version review of Jurassic World Dominion. And on Friday, I'm going to be doing a unboxing video of some of my Jurassic World Mattel toys in tribute to the release of the movie Dominion. And on Saturday, I'm going to be reviewing Chaotic Season 1, Episode 29. And on Sunday, I'm going to be reviewing Lego Legends of Chima, Season 1, Episode 16. And on next Wednesday, I'm going to be reviewing the second episode of Miss Marvel. And next Thursday, I'm going to be playing through Skylanders Sword Force Level 5. So stay tuned for those videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow for my Jurassic World Dominion spoiler-free review. And peace.